Hello, I'm Jean Westmoreland, and I'm excited to be starting another year teaching PreAP Chemistry at Bowie High School. This is my 4th year at Bowie and my 20th year of teaching overall. In addition to being a teacher, I'm also a parent in the Bowie vertical team. My son has just started 3rd grade at Mills Elementary. What you see on the screen is the landing page of the Blend Chem PreAP course. This is the page that will open anytime a student or parent navigates to the Chem PreAP course from their Blend dashboard. I want to point out several things on this Blend landing page. First, on the right-hand side, we have a to-do list. This is where students can find their homework assignments. For instance, DA Baby Steps 1 and 2, Scientific Notation Practice, that will also include a due date and a due time that need to be turned in to Blend. Also in this to-do list is any quiz or test that's upcoming, including an element quiz tomorrow, a measurement post-lab quiz next Tuesday, and a test on chemistry measurements on September 10th. Students can also find all of this information if they view the course calendar. They can select or deselect their different courses in order to see all of their due dates or just the ones for one class. The calendar can also be accessed through the far left navigation menu. Also on this landing page, you can see how to contact me and several links to different policies and procedures regarding the course. This includes the grading policy. You can see that homework has a very small percentage. This doesn't mean that students shouldn't do their homework. It just means that the completion of homework is relatively low stakes in their 6 weeks average. However, completing homework on time is important so that they can be successful in class and on the quizzes and tests. Another thing I want to point out from this page is the tutoring schedule. There are 4 teachers that teach PreAP Chemistry, and each of us offer tutoring that any PreAP Chemistry student can attend. Ms. Tilton has a designated PreAP Chemistry tutoring fit every Monday. Ms. Beatty and I have after-school tutoring Monday and Wednesday respectively, and Mr. Redrin has tutoring before school on Tuesday. Also, any PreAP Chemistry student is permitted to sign up for a fit session hosted by any one of these 4 teachers, as long as it is designated open to PreAP Chemistry students. Students can also expect to be assigned or to be required to attend one of the other teachers' fits if they've missed a quiz or they need to remediate or make up some other assignment. Another important thing to navigate from here is the procedures for when you're absent or when you've failed an assessment. The main thing to know when you're absent is that they need to go to the Blend course before they return to school. Every day will be given a Blend page in the modules with a daily agenda. Students should be able to use the information in that agenda to catch up as much as they can prior to returning to class. Especially if the agenda says there was a quiz that day, there's a procedure to take for making up that quiz. To get to the agenda, you go to modules, and then each day is given a block number and the date. When you open up that day and block, you'll see what we did in class that day. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the virtual back-to-school night. Please feel free to contact me with any specific questions or concerns.